In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your BOTIM profile picture. First, you will want to open the BOTIM application on your device. This action brings you to the main interface where you can access all the features available. You will see your recent chats and contacts. It's important to ensure you are logged into the correct account. If you are in the right app, you will feel confident navigating through the necessary features. Once the app is open, you are ready to make your profile picture update. Next, tap on the Me option or your profile icon. This section is often located at the bottom of the screen. When you tap on it, you will see your current profile information displayed. This is where you can personalize your account. Changing your profile picture is a key step in expressing your identity in the app. It makes your account more recognizable to friends and contacts. You will feel a sense of satisfaction knowing you are customizing your presence. Now, tap on your current profile picture. This action takes you one step closer to changing it. You may notice your existing picture clearly displayed. Tapping this will open up options for editing. This is important because it allows you to choose how you want to change your image. You can feel excited as you prepare to pick a photo that represents you best. After that, tap on Edit Profile or the camera/edit icon. You will see a menu with choices regarding how to update your picture. This step is crucial in guiding you to the next options available. It gives you a chance to either take a new photo or select an existing one. Remember, having a good profile picture can help friends recognize you easily. From there, choose one of the following options. Take Photo, which allows you to use your camera, or choose from Gallery, which lets you select an existing photo. If you choose Take Photo, your camera will activate. You can then snap a fresh picture that captures your current look. If you opt for Choose from Gallery, you will browse through your device's photo library. This choice is significant as it gives you the freedom to select the perfect image that fits your style. Next up, if prompted, crop or adjust the photo to fit your preferences. This step ensures that your picture looks just right. You may want to focus on your face or remove any distracting backgrounds. Adjusting your image is an essential part of making a great impression. It shows you care about how you present yourself to others. Once you are satisfied with your adjustments, tap Save, Done, or Confirm. This is the final step in the updating process. You should see a confirmation message appearing on your screen. This step is important because it finalizes your changes, ensuring they are saved. You can take a breath knowing that your new profile picture is now set. Your new profile picture will be updated and visible to your BOTIM contacts. This allows your friends and family to see the new you. It's a simple yet powerful way to express your personality. You can feel proud that you have successfully completed this task. Enjoy sharing your new look with everyone.